Okay, we are at Grand Sunergy booth at SNEC here. So we are with. Can you say your name?
I'm Carl from Grand Energy.
Okay, so Grand Sunergy is one of the leading players in heterojunction area. So can you briefly tell about your company? Where are you right now?
Of course. Just like you said, Grand Energy is a new player for the HJT modules and of course for the sales, right? And our headquarters is in Jiangsu province in Xuzhou city. Currently, for the module part, we have capacity about 7 gigawatts. We also have the cell capacity for the G12 and also for the G10, especially for G10. Yes.
How much is the cell capacity?
1.2 for the G10.
Okay.
Yes.
Quickly going into the product. So what is the flagship product you are promoting here at the show?
Especially for this one, as you can see. And the headquarters of the whole booth, right? And it's for the highest output module, more than 750 watt. And that is using the zero bus bar technology to improve the whole output. And this one then is special designed for the utility project. It can reduce the BOS cost, and the cost can reduce the land using. Okay, so it has different advantages for different projects. So that is what we are promoting now in the booth, especially. And also from our side, we can also promote design that is for the offshore projects. Because in China, we just won a very big tender that is about 540 megawatt order for offshore project. Yes, and the module used for that project that is for definitely special designed for the offshore project. Yes.
So this module seems to be, seems to be a research product. So when are you going to launch this product commercially, and what would be the module power and efficiency when it is commercially available?
No, from our side, for the 740 watt output, we are expecting for the massive production by the Q1 next year, and for this one it will be like a Q3 or Q4 next year for the 750 watt module.
Okay.
This is the one that we are promoted for the offshore projects. That is we call the Sea Power series. As you can see, we use the super PIB ceiling to protect environment for the offshore, and also for the frame, we are in the composite the material. Also for the offshore projects, especially for different environments. Yes. So this is when we are promoted for the offshore projects here. Yes.
And is it commercially available?
Yes, it's commercially available.
So 23.5% efficiency you can already offer.
Yes, for this one now we are offering for the mainstream that is like 720, 725. And for the 730 it will be available for by the end of this year. Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yes.
And all the best with your show.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.